Are you looking into PMP certification process? Hi, I'm Andrew from PMAspirant, and today I'm here to guide you through the complete process of getting your PMP certification and share tips and recommendations along the way. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any useful tips that will help you save time and money. Let's go. Before you begin, the first step you need to know is whether you're eligible for the PMP certification. There are two primary requirements, which are education and training. For those with a 4-year degree, you'll need 3 years of experience in leading projects. For those with a high school diploma or associate degree, 5 years of experience is required. In addition, you must have 35 hours of formal project management training, which you can get through various PMP training providers. There is a wide range of training options, from online self-study courses to bootcamp training with a live instructor. Most of the students sign up for the PMP exam prep course to both satisfy the 35 training hour requirement and prepare for the exam. Depending on your budget and learning style, self-paced on-demand learning will be more affordable, while bootcamp will be more structured and offer more support. However, you can waive the 35-hour training requirement if you are a certified associate in project management certification holder. I will provide a resource page in the description below, where you can access various training options and free resources. Once you're sure you meet the eligibility requirements, it's time for step 2, which is to create an account on PMI's website and complete your PMP application. You will have 90 days to complete and submit the application once you start the application process. The PMP application will require you to justify that you have the necessary project management experience and meet the educational and training requirements. The most challenging part of this step is to write a project description for each project to prove that you have enough experience leading and directing projects. We have several videos and blog posts that cover the PMP application extensively with tips, templates, and mistakes to avoid that will help you complete the PMP application seamlessly. I will provide the links to those videos and blog posts in the description below. Once you complete and submit the PMP application, it may take up to 5 business days for PMI to approve the application. However, PMI randomly audits applicants to verify their experience in education claims. If you're selected, don't panic. It's not as bad as it sounds, and it doesn't mean anything wrong with your application. You need to provide your college diploma, completion of a 35-hour training certificate, and signed application from your supervisors who can verify the projects. You will need to send all this information back to the PMI Audit Committee within 90 days. Here is a tip. I would suggest that you give your current and former supervisors a heads up before putting the project in the PMP application, so your supervisors are available in case your application is audited. Once your application is approved, you are ready for step 3, which is to schedule the PMP exam and pay the exam fee. I highly recommend you join the PMI membership, which will give you a big discount on the exam fee and a free digital copy of the PMBOK guide. As for where to take the exam, you will have the option to take the exam at home or the Pearson VUE Testing Center. I strongly recommend you schedule to take the exam at the testing center if there is one within travel distance. Many students who took the exam from home regretted their decision due to technical issues, extra stress, and the prep work for the room, equipment, and keeping the family members away. As far as how long to prepare for the PMP exam, most students schedule the exam 2 to 3 months ahead to allow ample time to prepare for the test. Don't rush into it. You have 1 year to pass the exam and up to 3 attempts within that time frame if needed. Let's move on to step 4, which is to prepare for the PMP exam. If you signed up for the exam prep course for the 35 training hours, you are well on your way to the exam preparation. One unique aspect is that the PMP exam is based on the exam content outline published by PMI, not based on one textbook. While Project Management Body of Knowledge, also known as PMBOK, and Agile Practice Guide are the primary books, the exam questions can come from another source. Another unique aspect of the PMP exam is that the majority of the questions are situational questions. Simply memorizing the knowledge but not knowing how to apply it to situations will not be enough to pass the exam. The situational questions are what make the PMP exam difficult. I always recommend taking as many practice exams as possible. It helps you get familiar with the question types and improve your time management during the actual exam. There are also plenty of free and affordable resources to help you prepare for the PMP exam, which I will provide in the link description below. Next, ready or not, here comes the exam. When exam day comes, plan to arrive early to the test center and stay calm and focused. The PMP exam consists of 180 questions over 230 minutes, covering people, process, and business environment domains. 5 of the questions are pre-test questions that are not graded but are mixed within the 180 questions. The questions vary from multiple choice, multi-response, hot area, drag and drop, and fill in the blank questions. During the exam, you can strike out wrong answers, mark difficult questions for review, and revisit them after answering easier ones. You'll have 2 10-minute breaks at 60 and 120 question marks. Use the breaks to reset your focus and stay sharp. After passing the PMP exam, congratulations! You're now a certified project management professional. But remember, the journey doesn't stop here. Your next step is to maintain and renew your PMP certification. You'll need to earn 60 professional development units and pay a renewal fee every 3 years. PMI offers multiple ways to earn PDUs, such as volunteering, attending webinars, mentoring, or even publishing project management articles. Keep an eye on your renewal deadlines and make it a habit to log your PDUs regularly. And that's it! The PMP certification process may seem daunting, but by breaking it down and tackling it step by step, you can do it. If you have any questions or need more tips, feel free to leave them in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more project management content and hit the bell icon to stay updated on new videos. Good luck with your PMP certification journey.